How to start dropshipping on Shopify without any experience. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to dropship products on Shopify without any experience. So without further ado, let us begin. So after creating an account on Shopify, basically what we're going to do is just simply download an application right here from Shopify that will allow us to dropship products. So to do that, just simply go to the left side over here, go to applications, and then just simply click on add. There you go. Afterwards, just scroll down until you see the Shopify App Store, this link right here that I'm highlighting. So just click on that. There you go. And then you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store. And then here we are now in the Shopify App Store. So from here, what you want to do now is to just simply go to the search bar right here. And then just simply search up for CJ Dropshipping. There you go. Search it up. And then just look for CJ Dropshipping from here. And then here we are, we have found CJ Dropshipping. And then from here, what you want to do is just simply click on install right here. Afterwards, once you're in this page, just simply click on install. And then after that, we'll be redirected here. So after installing CJ Dropshipping, you'll be redirected here to the CJ Dropshipping website. So it will just ask you to log in an account or create one. So if you don't have an account, you can just simply click on register here. But if you already have an account, just simply log in your account. But since I already have an account, I'll just click on authorize. There you go. And then just simply click on sign in right here if you have an account. And then if you don't have one, just simply again sign up. For me, I'll just sign in. And then here we are. So as you can see right here after we logged in, it says right here authorization success. CJ will help you make shipping business much easier. So okay. So from now on, we can now start looking for products in CJ Dropshipping right here. So I'll just go to global products. And then here we go. And then from here, you can now start choosing on what kind of products you want to sell. So to start off, what you can do is just simply decide or think of a niche or kind of product that you want to sell. So you can sell clothing, technology or electronics, some kitchenware, and some other stuff. So feel free to choose on which kind of items you want to sell or dropship in your Shopify store. So for me, I'll just focus my products on technology products. So I'll just look for technology products right here. And if you want to make things easier, you can just simply filter out what kind of products you want to sell. So in here at the top, they have categories. And then from here, you can choose what kind of category of products you want to sell. So let's say I'll just go to consumer electronics. Wait for it to load. Then here we are. So I'll just look for the kinds of products you want to sell. And if you want to search up some specific products, you could just simply use the search bar right here at the top. Okay. So let's say I want to sell this one right here, the wireless mini portable retro phonograph. So I'll just click on that. There you go. And then once you found the product that you want to sell, what you want to do is to just simply go down until you see add to my products. So just simply click on that. There you go, added to my products successfully. So I'll just look for 2 more products that we can sell. So let's say I want to sell this Wi-Fi repeater, Wi-Fi signal amplifier. So I'll just click on that. Then again, click on add to my products. There you go. And then lastly, let's just look for 1 more. So let's say I just want to sell this Bluetooth headset right here. So I'll just click on that. Click on add to my products. And then there you go, we're now done. So moving on, let's just go back right here. Let's go to my products right here. There you go. And then from here, look for the products that you want to sell. So in here, we already have the products right here that we want to sell. So let's just start off with the retro phonograph. So I'll just list it right here. So just simply click on list. And then this window will pop up. So first at the top right here at products, it will just ask you to choose your store. So just simply choose your store name right here. So if you want to know what kind of store or the name of your store for Shopify is, what you want to do is just simply go back to Shopify right here. And then at the bottom right here, it says customize your domain. So you will see this random letters and numbers right here. So this one is the name of your store. So what you want to do is just go back to CJ Dropshipping right here, go to store selection, and then just look for the name of that store. So the name of my store right here is 1CQHTN-11. So it's this one right here, 1CKHTN-11. So I'll just click on that. There you go. At the top right here, you can also charge tax if you want to. Then next is the product type. So just simply input the product type right here. So I'll just put in as a speaker. There you go. Add speaker, and then there you go. And then the vendor, just add your vendor right here, or you could just simply sync your vendor. There you go. Next is the title. So in here, just simply add the name of your product right here. So if you think this name is way too long, you could just simply edit it from here. But for me, I'll just leave it as it is. Next is collection. So in here, you can add add this product to your collections and also add tags if you want to. Next is we have variant pricing. So in here, you can just simply customize the price of your products right here. And then at the top right here, you can just simply set some shipping method settings right here on CG Dropshipping. So you can choose to ship from, and then you can choose where to ship your orders to and the shipping method. So yeah, feel free to choose any of these methods right here. Then at the bottom right here is we have the pricing. So just simply choose what kind of price or what will be the price that you'll be selling for your product. So yeah. But if you're not sure what price you can list, you can just simply click on recommend listing price right here. So just click on that instead, and then there you go. It has added the recommended prices right here for the products that we are planning to sell. And then there you go. Next is we have images and videos right here. So in here, you can just simply choose which kind of images and videos you want to use to showcase your product. So for me, I'll just simply use the images right here that were given to us from CG Dropshipping. And then next is description. So just simply add the description of your product right here, like its specs and etc. And then once you're done customizing your product, just simply click on list now. And then listing is in progress. So just wait for this to finish. And then there you go, listed successfully. So the product has been listed to your store successfully. So there you go, we have now added our product to our Shopify store. So next is I'll just start listing the other products right here. So I'll just click on this, select the store name, the product type, the vendor. There you go. Pricing, I'll just do the recommended listing price. There you go. Images and videos and description. I am good with this, so I'll just list it. And then there you go. Product has been listed successfully. So lastly, I'll just list the Wi-Fi repeater right here. So I'll just click on list. There you go. The store name, product type, the vendor, the title. Next is the variant pricing. So I'll just do the recommended listing price. There you go. Images and videos, description. So yeah. Then after that, I'll just simply click on list now. And then there you go. The product has been listed successfully. Okay, now let's just go back to our Shopify page right here. And then when we go to our product section right here, as you can see that our dropship products are now right here. So as you can see right here, the status is active. Then we will get to see the inventory right here. And yeah. And then if you want to make some additional changes right here, you can just simply click on the product that you want to change. There you go. And then from here, you can change the other details for this product right here. Like you can change the description from here, the images, the categories, the variants. And at the right side of here, you can also change the status, the type of product, and a lot more. So feel free to customize out your products. But for me, I'll just leave it as it is since I'm already good with this. And then there you go. So you have now listed your products. Moving on is now you can now start customizing your online store. So I'll just do that. I'll just go to my online store right here. And then there you go. I'll just click on customize right here. Wait for things to load. And then there you go. So this right here will be my online store. And then from here, we can now start customizing on which kind of products we want to showcase right here in our store. So I'll just do that right now. So I'll just select this one right here. I'll just select an image right here that I want to showcase. So let's say I want to showcase the Wi-Fi repeater. There you go. I'll just choose that image. Next, I'll just select another image right here. So let's say I want to choose this Bluetooth headphones. There you go. And then lastly, I'll just showcase right here the speaker, which is this one right here. Click on done. And then there you go. Moving on is I'll also add an image right here as well. I'll just select an image right here. And then I'll just choose this headphones right here. Click on done. Same goes with this one right here. Select an image. And then now I want to showcase the speaker again. There you go. And then there you go. And then lastly, I'll just add a featured product right here. So I'll just choose which kind of product that I want to feature. So let's say I want to feature the Wi-Fi repeater. And then there you go, the Wi-Fi repeater has been featured, and then it will look like this. So yeah, there you go, we have now customized our store. So if you want to add additional sections to your store right here, you can do so just by going to the left side right here. Go to template. I'll just minimize these stuff first so we can see everything. There you go. And then if you want to add sections, just simply click on add section right here. Then you can add which kind of section you want to add. So let's say I'll just add another featured product section right here. So I'll just click on that. And then there you go, another featured product has been added. So I'll just click on it. And then I'll just change the color scheme real quick. There you go. And then I'll just select the product that I want to feature again. So I just want to feature this Bluetooth headset. And then there you go. And there you go, you have now customized everything. And then you'll also get to customize right here your catalog page as well for the products that you're selling. So yeah. And then once you're done, you can just simply click on save right here at the top right. There you go. And there you go, changes have now been saved. And then we can now exit out of here. And then once we're done, you can now preview your store. There you go. Let's just preview it real quick. And then there you go. This right here is our store that we have made. So there you go. We have now successfully set up our drop shipping products. So yeah, there you go. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to start dropshipping on Shopify without any experience. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.